Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own design on Canva. We are going to cover a few topics like designing your own brand, creating new posts and reels as well. So let's get down to work. So here we are. So just open Google or any kind of search and type in Canva. So let's start. Open the Canva page. Now we are going to create a new account. I'll show you how to do that if you are not familiar with the site. So I have few accounts, so I'm going to use this one this time. So it's so we can start the work. Yes, agree everything. Yes, yes. And now we can start the work finally. So you can choose what is interesting, like video making, brand making, several projects as well. Yes, skip that. And here we are. We just opened our free account at Canva, so we can find different types of topic like video, social media, documents as well. So today we are going to create a few posts and design it. So just type in social media post and we are going to search one. So you can see there are several kinds of post you can choose. So let's see what we can see and choose. So we can edit it and save it for later so you can post it as well. So today I think I'm going to choose this one. I think it's simple and it's so beautiful design, and we are going to change the design as well so we can post it as our own product and ourselves at our stores if we have one. So you can choose several topics like colors, text. I'm going to show you how to change colors. So we can choose from this one or maybe that one. Yes. So here we changed our color. Now we are going to change the background color as we like to. So I think I'm going to stay with this pink. It's pretty. So let's move it. As you can see, you can change anything like that, like you want. So we can choose different type of textiles and we can separate them as well, or we can move it as well. So here we are going to change the design as well. As you can see, there are many things, many tools to use. So we are going to go with something different, like choosing an effect or color or just a new picture. Let's see what we can have here. Oh, this is nice. Let's choose this. Close the door and just move it as you like, or you can delay it every time you want. So you can create a new picture like this, and we can choose to write something else here as well if we like to, or we can just move it or change the color of the text like this or that. Maybe I go with another color as well. So as you can see, we changed a lot of things, but it was just a for example. So let's move on with another kind of project. We are going to create another post for social media, or you can create resume as well, reels, or any kind of videos. Let's try this. So here we are. We have a beautiful page design with a simple effect. Let's change it for a bit. This one, so we can find everything that we can move it or make it bigger or change the color like this or that. Yeah, it's better. So we can change the background as well. I hope you can guys can keep it my way and able to see the changes. As you can see, I can do anything because it's so easy to use. Or we can cut the picture as well, or choose the file name as well. I think it's cool for now, so we are going to change another one. I'm going to show you now how to search for video shorts or small videos like cup video. So let's see what we can have. As you can see, we have several different videos in different kind of quality. and these are so amazing. As you can see, there are pro members as well, but you can use anytime free design as well. So let's see what we should choose now. I think I go with something simple and elegant design like this. Let's try this. Edit it. Oh, here we are. So these are the effects, or we can choose to have another one, and we can edit this video as well. Choose the colors, maybe lighter. We will choose lighter colors so it gets so good on the dark background. So let's see what we can have. You can have several topics as well. You can make notes, choose elements like search links. You can edit links as well. You can choose graphics as well, photos, different kinds of topics, and these are the plans. You can choose style as well, like this. So you can add this too, then, or just copy this page or delete. Now we have this, and we are going to duplicate this and find another page that you can fit here. So let's duplicate this and let's change the style of this. I'm going to go with this style. I think it's gonna be better fit. I think it's working. Or we can choose another style as well. As you can see, you have several pages and styles to use. So you can go with photograph or just a video that's about forest or something. Or you can choose just this simple "Are you ready?" and kind of videos. So let's back to the project homepage. Now I'm going to show CVs, resumes as well. You can create your own if you like to. So here are the examples and styles you can try, and there are pro premium members as well. As you can see, this is mine, and I created with this one because I like the color and it was beige and family and cozy. So I use this one. I will show you the other examples as well. You can see there are kind of pink vase, kind of cute, and you can edit anytime, and you can add your pictures and every text and information if you want to. So that's for all today. So here we are, that's for all today. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed my video. See you next time. Bye bye.